Welcome back, guys. Hello, I hope you are doing very good. Just a disclaimer, let's see what happened today. Due to crash, not crash, due to good correction in US market yesterday, in NVIDIA, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, see what happened. We opened a gap down. Okay, so Nifty opened a gap down, and since bulls were very strong, as said, this will be defended 25,200 to 25,200 defending with close just above 25,200. So what can happen tomorrow being an expiry? We have a huge call riders at 25,300, and so somehow I feel 25,300 will be protected. Okay, and if we see a downfall or say a downside move, then 25,200, 25,150, it's a good level. So from 25,150 to 25,300, it's a big zone, but I guess we will see Nifty hovering in this range only in tomorrow. Nifty Bank. Let's see what happened in Nifty Bank. So in Nifty Bank, same thing, opened our gap down since it was expired. See, this is the reason I was saying that Nifty can also do same thing tomorrow. See, Nifty Bank opened below 51,400, 51,500, that critical zone, and they spent whole time in this region only, near 51,400, because at 51,500, there was a huge call writing, so it was not able to surpass this zone, and as a result, the whole day premium was being eaten by the sellers. So what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, now this blue line will act as a very good support. Okay, so 51,300 is a critical support, and on the upside we need to cross 51,500 once again for the upside momentum for coming days in Nifty Bank. Nifty Financial Index, same chart like Bank Nifty, no movement. This was our important blue line, C23,837. Spent whole day in this region only. So typically seller's day. Nifty mid select, Nifty mid cap. It opened a gap down like other index. Then thought it can bridge today's low, but no. A huge strength was shown by the bulls, and as a result, we reached this critical level of 13,200, and we almost closed near previous day high only. Okay, it tried, but again, it gave a very good closing to mid cap. So, is overall what is happening in the market due to say world market? We have seen a gap down, but somehow bulls managed in all index to close at a good point. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, be ready for this volatile session. Let's see how Dow and Nasdaq performs today. Is there any more correction or there is a recovery? Okay, it will depend on that also. So see what happened to Nifty IT. Nifty IT was the major player today because of Dow and Nasdaq falls. Nifty IT opened almost at 42,315, but it closed at 42,450. It's almost formed a beautiful hammer candle, you can see, at this level. So it was a good recovery actually. So we have to see how Nasdaq performs today, so that we can see some rally in Nifty IT stocks tomorrow if Nasdaq performs well today. Thank you so much, guys. If you're liking our video, please hit the like button and keep supporting us.